Pocket Buddha is a set of training solutions to help your users learn and use NetSuite. The Pocket Buddha Learning Center provides the ability to create role-specific learning paths for users to learn NetSuite rapidly. Each training path is a step-by-step sequence of training materials covering a specific user role or process or subject. Pocket Buddha comes pre-configured with over 100 NetSuite user training videos and companion articles. Over 500 pages of NetSuite training guides, plus pre-built e-learning courses covering a variety of NetSuite training topics. The Pocket Buddha Instant Help widget surfaces relevant multimedia training materials based on the user's role and the exact NetSuite page the user is on. The Pocket Buddha Instant Help widget gives access to IT support staff via instant chat and the ability to submit new IT support tickets. Utilize the Pocket Buddha team to create professional, customized training videos showing users exactly how your NetSuite works and should be used. The Pocket Buddha suite of training solutions is like having a Buddha in your pocket, always available to provide enlightenment when and where needed.